Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer tech. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Galaxy Watch 40mm band available on the market right now. The SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro Series case. This rugged protective case doesn't just shield your watch. It elevates its durability and style to a whole new level. Stick around as we explore every feature and detail. The SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro Series case is designed specifically for the Galaxy Watch Active 2 and Galaxy Watch Active. It combines robust protection with a sleek design that complements the watch's aesthetics perfectly. Let's start with the design. The UB Pro features a rugged bumper that provides excellent shock absorption, ensuring your watch stays safe from accidental drops and bumps. The raised bezel around the screen prevents scratches and damage to the display. One of the standout features is the built-in, scratch-resistant watch band that comes with the case. It's fully adjustable, comfortable to wear, and securely holds your Galaxy Watch Active 2 or Active in place. Installing the SUPCASE is a breeze thanks to its advanced snap-on design. You can easily attach it without needing any additional tools, and it provides full access to all the watch's functions and features. Durability-wise, this case is built to last. It's made from high-quality materials that can withstand daily wear and tear, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor activities. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best Galaxy Watch 40mm band that combines style, durability, and affordability, look no further than the SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro Series case. Whether you're into fitness or simply want to safeguard your smartwatch, this case ticks all the boxes. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.